Jet Performance product feature. The Powr-Flo throttle body. Hey everybody, this is Tony, and I thought I'd share a conversation I had with a friend of mine that had a Silverado. Like him, you've probably upgraded your tires, wheels, made it look really cool. You might have added some power, like cold air intake system or a tuning chip, performance exhaust, but you still feel your truck is holding back on some power in that go pedal. Well, Jet Performance Products has just the right item that will unleash that power. Stock throttle bodies work great for stock motors, somewhat restrictive if you start adding power and performance. The new Powr-Flo throttle body features pre-installed updated electronics to make for quick plug-and-play installation. The electronics upgrade the throttle position sensor, the map sensor, and is self-learning. This direct bolt-on replacement is made in the USA with aircraft quality CNC machined 356 aluminum castings with a uniquely American design that improves air velocity through the gullet and to the intake manifold. The design creates a vortex similar to a supercharger, which gets you increased airflow, improved throttle response, and more horsepower throughout the entire RPM range. Check out more details and more products from Jet Performance Products at jetchip.com or call 800-535-1161 today.